Hello dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, hope you have finished till chapter number 11, and today the chapter which we are going to cover is chapter number 12, Food Animal Eat. Food animals eat. And the first question I would like to ask that why do we need food? Yes, we need food to get energy, and it gives us energy, and what else? It helps us to grow. So here are few animals, and here are the food option which they eat. Okay, so these are curved line and you have to do the matching. Children, this is homework page, so you have to write homework here and today's date. Okay, so we will see, I have made few slides. We will see these slides and then after we will complete this chapter. And today we are going to complete this classwork also. And today's classwork is chapter number 13, cartoon character. So write down classwork and today's date. And I have also prepared few slides related to this chapter, and later on we will read this whiz facts. So children, what are we waiting for? Let's move to see the slide. So children, as you all know, we have completed till chapter number 11, and today we are going to start chapter number 12, Food Animals Eat. And children, this is your homework page. So first you will mention homework and today's date, and then we continue the chapter. And children, we all have our favorite food, so animal also have their food, their specific food which they love to eat. So first we will see which animal is this. Okay, so this is cat. So we will check what is the favorite food of cat, and this is mouse, and this you can see in the cartoon also. And can you name that cartoon? Yes, that is Tom and Jerry. Now the second animal is fox, and it is known the clever animal. So let's see what fox loves to eat. Fox loves to eat chicken. So here is the favorite food of fox. Now a rat. So I'm sure everybody knows rat loves to eat cheese. Now deer. So deer eats leaves. Green leaves. Next we have crocodile, and there is one more species that is called alligator. So let's see what crocodile loves to eat. So it loves to eat fish, because mostly crocodile lives in water. So children, that's all we have in this chapter. Now we have next chapter. Children, today we will continue with this chapter. The chapter name is cartoon character, and children, this is your classwork page. So first you will write classwork and today's date. So let's see what is there in this chapter. As we all love one or the other cartoon characters, if I'm talking about myself, so I love Minnie the mouse. So let's see what character are there in these slides. So oh my god, first is Minnie, my favorite one. Wow, so this is Minnie, and you all know what is Minnie. It's a mouse. So there is a space near that picture. A blank is there, so you will write mouse there. Okay, Now next cartoon is Scooby-Doo. So, as you can see, Scooby-Doo is a dog. And Woody. Have you seen that movie Toy Story? In that Toy Story, we have this character and it's a man. So, Woody, a man. Now, Winnie the Pooh. I love this cartoon character a lot. And children, I have this toy also. So, a yellow bear with a red shirt. So this is a bear. Wow, lovely. And this is Simba. This is not the movie Simba. This is the character which we have seen in the cartoon. So this is a lion, Simba. And the last one is Rapunzel. Children, as we know, endless cartoon characters are there, but here we have covered few. So this is a fairy with long hair. And children, do you know the movie in which we have seen the Rapunzel? The movie name is Tangled. I have seen that movie many a time. So she's a girl, a princess. So children, these are the slides. So children, at the end we will read the Whiz fact. But before that, I would like to share one very important thing, that Mr. R.K. Lakshman is the famous cartoonist in India. So children, he has created a character that is this, a common man, and now it is there in Pune in the form of statue. So this is Common Man, a famous cartoon character, and this character is created by the cartoonist Mr. R.K. Lakshman. So children, this is the Whiz fact. This is the Whiz fact of this chapter. So children, we have covered this chapter also. Don't forget to write date and classwork, and we will send you. Don't forget to share your work on my personal window between 1 to 2 p.m. So children, we will meet you next time. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.